Hey guys, my name is Aaron and today I'm in Johor in Aeon in Bukit Indah, right? Yeah. And I found this machine that squeezes oranges for you and you try to make it for 1 cup. So I've never seen this in my entire life or actually in Malaysia. So here, I'm gonna try it. So come on. I'm just gonna go put in my 5 ringgit. So here you go. It has no change. So yeah. Okay, hold on. We gotta change it. Okay, here we go. Okay, it accepted it. Now we're going to start it. So here we go. Okay, the cup dropped down. And I think it's gonna. Yeah, it's squeezing the oranges. It's squeezing. There you go. You see that? Yeah. It goes in and it gets squished. Watch, watch, watch. Ooh, it gets cut and then it gets squeezed. And then after it gets squeezed in there, it goes down here. Oh my god, guys, look. There's absolutely no water. So this is the 3rd orange that's cutting. Whoa. We're not even halfway done. Okay, 4 oranges. And now 5 is coming down, I believe. Number 5, come on. Is that all? Yeah, I think, okay, so it cuts 4 oranges, so that's pretty cool. Now let's collect the cup here. Oh, that's cool. It's 5 ringgit a cup. So we're gonna try it. Wholesale and retail French Egyptian oranges. Anyone interested, please contact the summer. I won't show that number. But oh, you know what? I'll tell you if you guys are interested in some fresh Egyptian oranges. So let's hope this is sweet and not sour. It's a mix of, it's mostly sour, but it's nice. And there's absolutely no sugar or water. And I mean, it's pretty fun to watch and it's tasty to drink. And this is a mall, okay? You could actually get a drink over there for maybe 5 ringgit, the same price of orange juice. But still, this is pretty fun, and I guess that's all. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button. It's your choice. Bye guys.